Good morning, everyone, and today I just saw something in the bushes, and what is that? They're blooming again, but I just weeded yesterday. No. I literally just pulled these out yesterday. Where are they coming from? That was so interesting. A little scary, honestly. That was so interesting. I mean, really, it was just so... What was that? There's someone back there. What was that? What was over there? That was so weird. There's no one there? Hello? Well, that was so interesting. I'm gonna go outside and see if we can find anything else. Oh my gosh! What was that? Come out! Okay, that was so weird. I'm coming around to see what's going on. Why is that gate open? Hey, it's closing! It's closing! Hello? Huh. What's going on? Okay, so today we are going to trap whatever that thing was, or whoever that was. Let's do this. So the plan is we're going to chase her into this corner and keep her like this. So let's see. I think she likes plants. So look, there are flowers all along here, and it's going to lead into this corner. And I'm hoping that she's going to look into here, trying to find out if there are any other plants. Then we're going to run out and corner her. Okay, I'm going to set up a camera all the way over here, okay? And hopefully it'll catch her. I see her! I found you! I found you! Who are you? And what are you doing? I'm the princess of nature. And what are you doing here? Hey, where'd she go? Come back! Hey! Where are you? Hello? There she is! Ha! You're cornered! Stop, no! Don't move. Hey! That was so weird. It's her! No, please stop. No, please don't. Please, no. Where am I? Oh, poor oak tree. You have the ability to make things grow. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Well, I need you to help me. Please?
I will help you control your powers.
Thank you. Okay. For now, can we be friends?